Now question number 5. A body covers first half of its journey with uniform speed v1 and the second half of its journey with uniform speed v2. Then find the average speed. So here one particle traveling like this or one body traveling like this. Half of the journey with v1 speed. This total displacement, total distance I am taking is straight line along distance means displacement only. So this half of the journey with v1 speed, remaining half of the journey with v2 speed. Then what we are finding? Average speed finding. We are finding average speed. So in this case I am taking this is a midpoint B and this point C. So to reach from here to here I am assuming T1 time taking, from here to here it is taking T2 time. Now I want total speed, average speed. Average speed. Average speed equals to total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. If this is average velocity, resultant to displacement by total time. Now, what is the total distance? Yes. What is the total time? T1 plus T2. So this one. Again, what is the formula for time? Distance by speed. That formula we are applying. What is the formula for time? Time equals to distance by speed. Time equals to distance by speed. That is the formula. That formula I am applying. Now you apply. T1 equals to, what about this distance? S by 2. What is the speed? V1. So what about T1? Distance S by 2. Speed V1. So S by 2 by V1. So by 1. So S by 2 into 1 by V1. So totally what is that? T1 S by 2 V1. You take this first equation. Average speed, big V you take. So this I am taking second equation. Similarly, I am writing directly T2. Now what is the T2? Now T2 equals to same like S by 2 by second speed V2. So directly you write this as S by 2 V2. This is my equation number 3. So that second and third equations values I am substituting in the first equation. Now write, one implies average speed V equals to S by T1 plus T2. Now substitute all the values. This implies V equals to S by, what is the T1? S by 2 V1. What about T2? S by 2 V2. That equals to S by, here I am taking S common. Now here what I am getting? 1 by 2 V1. Similarly here 1 by 2 V2. SS cancel. So finally what I am getting? Average speed. Average speed. V equals to remaining what? 1 by 2 V1 plus 1 by 2 V2. 1 by 2 V1 plus 1 by 2v2. Again here I am taking 1 by 2 common. Then what happens? 1 by, here I am taking 1 by 2 common. Now what I am getting? 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. Again you take LCM. Now this implies v equals to 1 by 1 by 2 means I am writing this as 2. Now v1 v2 LCM, v1 v2. Again here I am getting v2 plus v1. So this you write as 2 by v2 plus v1 or v1 plus v2, both are same also. By v1 v2. 2 means 2 by 1. Then what happens finally? V equals to 2 by 1 into v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. v1 plus v2. So finally what is the average speed? 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This is average speed. So we are doing like this problem.